Hello everyone. Today we are here to review this guest paper of Vinod Publications. Its name is Sociological Basis of Education. It's a fully solved guest paper. It's a Punjab B.Ed Semester 2 guest paper. It's a bestseller Punjab University Punjabi medium guest paper, and it has 100% sure success rate. It's as per the new syllabus. So Vinod Publications is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. Let's check out and review this guest paper now. 99 is the price of this guest paper. Now, as per the new syllabus as prescribed by Punjab University Chandigarh, it's mentioned, units are mentioned. Unit 1, education and sociology, concept, nature and relationship between education and sociology, sociology, role of family, peer and school, then social mobility and education, then unit 2, nature and aspirations of Indian society and education, then society as a determinant of aim of education, then national development and education, content, scope and indicators of national development, then other units are given. So unit 1, unit 2 is covered, education, society. Unit 3, education and culture, culture, concept, characteristic, interaction of education, interaction with education, social change, then education and role and its process of culture and social change. Then unit 4, education for democracy, then education for national and emotional integration, then education for international understanding and global peace. All the 4 units are given. You can check this out, and you can see that every question in this matter is very well explained, with very important questions are also given. All the 4 units are very well explained. Each question is explained in detail. So many pages are given to each topic, with subtopics in detail, with points, headings. Not only that, very important questions are also marked, and whenever there are points in a question, points are highlighted in both Punjabi and English language, so that even if you are comfortable in reading English language, you can still buy this book and understand everything. So it's a very good book. Everything is discussed in detail. So in the back side of the book, B.Ed textbook semester 2 and B.Ed guest paper semester 2 are mentioned, and 5-in-1 B.Ed guide semester 2, and available in Punjabi, Hindi and English for 1, 2, 3, 4 semesters. You can check them out and also buy it of Punjab University. Now regarding this guest paper, the price of this guest paper is just rupees 99 rupees only. You can check this out. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can buy it online, or you can call them directly at 9218-219218, and guest paper will be delivered to your location within just 3-4 days only. If you want to buy this guest paper offline from any available bookstore, you can go to any bookstore nearby location whichever has B.Ed books on guest papers at just 99 rupees only. You go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books. You can go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books. You can go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com if you have any inquiry, and if you have any complaint regarding any book or this guest paper or any guest paper, you can go to helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So 99 rupees is the only price of this guest paper. Buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218-219218, or buy it from any available bookstore nearby location at 99 rupees only. It's your choice. So I highly recommend this guest paper of Sociological Basis of Education, Punjab B.Ed Semester 2 bestseller, Punjab University guest paper of Vinod Publication, with the most trusted publishing firm of India. So at rupees 99 rupees only. It's a gold amazing guest paper. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much.